This is the flow layered haircut. I'm going to help break this down for you, but as you can see from a side profile, this haircut is all about simplicity and sophistication. My best advice is to find a hair professional that can understand haircut layers and that honestly knows how to work with shears. This is not a haircut that you walk into a random barbershop for and hope for the best. This is all done with scissors. As you can see, while I'm using a wide tooth carbon comb, the hair is just melting into itself and flowing into the haircut. The one important thing about this, as you can see, as I pull the hair forward, that is how far the hair is going to travel back. If your hair is too short, it simply will not be a part of the flow haircut. If it's too long, it may be a bit too heavy, but it's better to have the hair longer than shorter. As you can see, I'm using my fingers and the comb, and wherever the hair falls and drops, once again, that is where the hair will show up when you comb the hair from the layering. The key to this is identifying the hair type that you have and making sure that you have straight hair for this. This is definitely a haircut for someone who's got straight, thicker hair, or even fine hair, but a lot of it. There's no wave in this, no curl. It's literally a haircut for straight hair. Your hands and a comb like this are probably going to be your best styling aid. The more you comb it like this, the more the layers will be accentuated. The key to this haircut, and when cut properly, is the fact that there are no harsh steps, everything blends into itself, and it's got a really nice shape. You can see how the hair is springing back up, but notice when I pulled it down how long it is. It goes to about the bridge of the nose. So it's really something that can be deceiving because you may think the hair is a lot shorter than it really is, and many of you are not growing your hair long enough in order to achieve this flow type of hairstyle. You can see as I pull the hair up, it's going to drop down. Now what I'm showing here is an example of what proper layering looks like. When I comb this hair straight up, you can see that the entire top of the head and the entire shape is layered. See how the hair falls into itself? If your hair does that, that means you've got a good haircut. If the hair is not flowing properly, it's too heavy, something seems really off, there's a lot of steps in your haircut that just seem like it's choppy, it's simply because of the wrong and poor execution of the haircut itself. It may not be your hair at all, it's simply how good is the person at cutting your hair. Layering and achieving a flow hairstyle is all about symmetry. It's all about balance. And you can see as I comb this down, it actually looks like there's no layers in the hair. But as I comb this back, you can see how everything is literally just flowing into each other, and that is where the term flow comes in. It's simply another word for having layers. And layering is a technique that is designed to remove weight, giving it the flexibility. And you can see by just pulling a few pieces down, you're able to manipulate the hair and have a great hairstyle. Now, there are a wide variety of products that can be used for this hairstyle. All of these are available for purchase. And if you click on view products, you can actually see where to get them, or you can visit shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.